Exercise 1. Write a C program to input two numbers from user and calculate their sum. So in this exercise, I need to tell the user to give me two numbers. First of all, I need to declare the two number. It's an integer, so integer x and y. This is the first step. Second step, I need to declare the sum because I need to calculate their sum. Integer sum also, s or sum, it's the same. Second, I need to use the printf and the scanf function, input and output, to tell the user to give me two numbers and to print these two numbers on the screen. Later, I need to calculate the sum. I need to use this formula, sum s equal x plus y. And finally, I need to use the printf function to print the result on the screen. Let's start write the code to see the result. And all the C programs start with hashtag include studio.h integer main integer number 1, number 2, and sum. Now read two number from user. I need to use the printf function and scanf to tell the user to give me two number. Printf, enter the first number. Scanf, %d because it's an integer, and number 1. The same for number 2, printf also, enter the second number, scanf, %d, number 2. Now I need to add the two numbers. I need to use the formula sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2. And finally, print the result on the screen. Printf sum of number 1 and number 2 is equal to %d number 1, number 2, and the sum. And finally, return 0. Now guys, let's run the code to see the result. And enter the first number 3, 5, and the sum of 3 and 5 is 8. This is our C program to input two numbers from user and calculate their sum.